Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to update drivers on Windows 11. There are two methods you can use to update your drivers. So let's start with our first method. First of all, right click on Windows icon and then click on Device Manager. So this will show you all the drivers you have in your system. So to update any driver, just click on it. Just like I want to update this driver, so click on this. After that, right click on this driver and then click on update driver. After that, click on search automatically for drivers. So this will automatically update your driver. After that, close this window. So this is the first method you can use to update your drivers manually. After that, close this window. Now move to the second method. The second method you can use to update your operating system. So click on this Windows icon and then click on settings. Now on the left hand side you will see the option Windows Update. Click on this option. So here you will find the option check for updates. So by clicking on this option, it will update all the drivers and your operating system. One more thing you can do is go to this advanced option and then click on optional updates. This will show you all the available drivers you have for your system. So let's suppose if you want to update your drivers, so click on this option and then click on download and install. So this will help you to update your driver. So here you can see download has started. It will take some time, so wait for a few seconds. So here you can see our driver has updated successfully. So these are the two methods you can apply to update drivers on Windows 11. So guys, in this video we saw how to update drivers for Windows 11. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.